Hi everybody, we're going to do a few little things to our new rig. Well, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to remove this pull-out bed couch. We're going to make it so that we can put in a recliner and a bed for Judy's mom while we travel. So the first thing we're going to do is to try to remove this couch so that it's out of our way for while we're doing the other job. So the first thing is to remove the cushions. And then we have these 4 bolts that we're going to remove this back piece that rocks. 2 bolts on each side. That one took a little while. It had a plastic wrapped around the bolt hole, or the bolt going into it. What's that? Okay, now we're at day 2 of our build. We had to take the couch all apart, and it pretty much had to take every bolt in the thing apart to get it apart piece by piece to get it out. But we got it out, and we discovered once we got it out that this, with the slide out, there's still a little bit of a lip, which kind of puts a little bit of a wrench into what our thinking was originally. We thought this was going to set down flush the way the other slides do. So now what we're going to do is build a platform on top of this here that's going to come out 38 inches, and then we're going to carpet that.
Because of the wires there too. Yeah.
Right, because of the way the wires come up out of the slide, we're going to build up so that the wires and everything aren't going to get damaged while we're doing that. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to, out of 2x3s, make framework that fits into this area, and we're going to screw it to the floor. Well, what I did is I went and I found a remnant that was 5 foot by 8 foot, and we cut it down to fit, and I'm going to wrap it so that and connect it down around to the front of it, and we'll have a completely carpeted pedestal that we have there, and then we'll go ahead and put a chair, and the bed and stuff will get situated on it also. But I think that it turned out pretty nice for what we started with. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to put a comment down below. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye now.